Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the PySpark series. Till now, we have understand PySpark concepts, but how do we actually work with data? Where do we store it? That's where something called a data frame comes in. And trust me, if you understand data frame, you understand 20% of PySpark. So in this video, you will learn what is a data frame, why companies uses it, and how to create and use it with a simple code. So let's imagine a company as customer data, name, age, and city. How do we represent this data in PySpark? For that, I'll give you simple analogy. Think of a data frame like an Excel sheet, which has rows and columns. So a data frame is nothing but a structured way to store data in rows and columns, just like a table. Now we get a question like, why not just we use normal Python list? But we cannot, because data frame has features like handle large data and are optimized for performance, work perfectly with Spark, easy to query and transform. So now we'll start with our coding part. So let's create our first data frame step by step. So this is creating a Spark session. So we have already learned this in our last video. So now our sample data. See this code. This is a normal Python code. So next is we define our columns and creating a data frame. So this is how we create a data frame, and you can see this is the key line. So now finally this prints the table show data. Now we can see the results. Rows are records, columns are fields. This is your data frame. And we need to note down one important concept, that is a structure of data. A name is string, age is integer, city is string. So schema is nothing but structure of data frames. The basic operations. We used to select column, selecting only name column. So here this is how we filter data. Getting people with age is greater than 2025. And this code says we're creating a new column. This is exactly what companies do. They read data, they transform it and add columns, filter data, finally saving the results. Data frame is the main thing you will use in PySpark, not RDD, not anything else. Data frame is your daily tool. Because most beginners try to memorize everything, but don't. Focus on understanding rows, columns and transformations. Now we'll do simple recap. Data frame is nothing but a table where you can create, view, filter, transform and analyze. Now here's where things gets interesting. What if your data has wrong types or missing values or incorrect structure? In the next video, we'll go deeper into schema in PySpark and why it is very important in real projects. If you're finding this helpful, please make sure to subscribe. We are learning PySpark step by step in a simplest way.